Dear students, today let us consider the conversion of hexadecimal number to a decimal number. So in the previous class you have seen the conversion of a decimal number into a hexadecimal number, right? So we are considering today hexadecimal to a decimal conversion. Now in converting the hexadecimal number into a decimal number, first you write the hexadecimal number and then it's a decimal part or a decimal code of that particular digit, right? So say for example, let me consider an example. The hexadecimal number is F3AC and I want to convert this into a decimal number. So first you write the given hexadecimal number. So like this, there is a F3 A and C, right? Now you write the decimal equivalent of it. Decimal code for this or decimal equivalent. So for F it is 15, then for 3 you write it as 3 itself, for A it is 10 and for C it is 12, right? So now write the position value of it. Position value of each of them. So there are 4 digits. So 16 to the power 0, 16 to the power 1, 16 to the power 2 and 16 to the power 3. So this is 16 to the power 3, 16 to the power 2, 16 to the power 1 and 16 to the power 0. Next, write the product. Write the product. That means, so 15 into 16 to the power 3. Then this is 3 into 16 square. This is 10 into 16 to the power 1 or 16. So this is 12 into 16 to the power 0. So that is equal to 1, right? So now you add all of them. So this is 15 into 16 to the power 3 is it is 4096, right? And this is 3 into 16 square is 256. You put the positive sign here. So add them. So this is 160 plus 12 into 1 is 12. Now you add them. So 15 into write the product, that is 61440 plus this is 768 plus 160 plus 12, right? Now you add them and write. Therefore F, you write within bracket F3AC in hexadecimal system, there is the equivalent to, it is 62,380 in decimal system. So this is how you should calculate the value, right? Let me consider one more example. Now I want to convert the decimal digit here. So fraction here, I would like to consider the fraction. Now how will you convert it? For example, convert the hexadecimal number this hexadecimal number is 3a dot 2f to decimal, I want to convert this number, hexadecimal number, to a decimal number. Now, as I told you in the previous example, so write 3a, then 2f, right? Now, so decimal is here, right? So this is 16 to the power 0 and this is 16 to the power 1. Now what about this? This is 16 to the power minus 1 and 16 to the power minus 2, right? So now take the product 3 into 16. Now let's start one step. So take the sum, write the sum also. A into 16 to the power 0 is 1, then let the point be as it is. 2 into 1 by 16 plus, what about f? Oh sorry, here is a is 10. 10 into 1, okay. So f is 15. 15 into 1 divided by 16 square, 16 into 16, right? So now you write the product. This is 48 plus 10 point. So this is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is having the value, it is a 0.125 plus it is a 0.0586, right? 15 into 15 divided by 16 into 16 is 0.0586. Now you add them, that is 58.1836. So now the given hexadecimal number is 3a.2f in hexadecimal system, that is equivalent to this much in a decimal system. So this is how you must convert a given hexadecimal into a decimal system. Now let me take one more example. So 2ab.8, right? So this is hexadecimal number. Convert this into a decimal number. Now, so here 2 into, so 0, 1, 2, that means 16 square plus a is 10 into, it's 16 to the power 1 plus b is 11 into 16 to the power 0 plus, or you put keep the point as it is, 8 into 1 by 16. 16 to the power minus 1, right? So now this is 16 square, it is 256 into 2 is 512 plus 16, this is 160 plus 11 into 1 point, it is this is 2, that means this value is 0.5. Add them, therefore 2ab.8 in hexadecimal system, that is equal to, it is 683.5 in a decimal system. So this is how you must calculate the value, right? So this is a conversion of hexadecimal to a decimal conversion. Then let us go back to the decimal to hexadecimal conversion. So this I think I have mentioned in the previous class, decimal to hexadecimal. Let me give one or two examples for that. So in the examination, the conversion of hexadecimal to other system, so that is very important, or from other system to the hexadecimal system. Normally they ask in the examination for the small problems, either for multiple choice or in the problem. Small problems like a 2 marks problem may be asked. So decimal to hexadecimal system. Hexadecimal system. Now in the previous class I mentioned about it. So how will you convert a given decimal number to a hexadecimal number? Say for example, let me consider one simple example. Convert 2479, this is a decimal, so to a hexadecimal number. Now how will you convert it? Now you know that this number is divided by continuously by 16. So let us do that. 2479, this is 16, divide this by 16. So it is 154 times, the remainder is 15 here, right? Now again divide it by 16, this is 9 times and the remainder is 10, then again divide it by